Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring latest updates from the Main Street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. Well, we have collated deals from various segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from the action taking place in this space. But before we start talking about the deals of the week, let's have a look at few stats. The blockchain sector in 2024 saw significant recalibration with resilience amid evolving market dynamics. Venture capital funding rose 30% year-over-year to $14.3 billion across 2,974 deals, reflecting a 47% increase in deal volume. However, funding remained below the 2021 and 2022 peaks of $29 billion and $33.3 billion, respectively. Crypto mergers and acquisitions activity also grew modestly, reaching 248 deals, up from 221 in 2023, but still below the 2022 high of 271. And now let's have a look at the first deal of the day. Databricks raised $10 billion in a funding round led by Thrive Capital, boosting its valuation to $62 billion, a 44% increase from 2023. Now, this marks the largest venture capital raise of 2024 and places the AI and data analytics firm as the fourth most valuable US-based startup after OpenAI, SpaceX, and Stripe. Co-investors included Andreessen Horowitz, DST Global, and others, with new backers like Iconic Growth and Wellington Management. Databricks plans to use the funds for AI product development, acquisitions, global expansion, and employee liquidity. Moving on, Anti-Real Industries matched its own record for the largest defense tech round ever. In August, the Costa Mesa, California-based startup locked up a $1.5 billion Series F that valued the company at $14 billion, a 69% jump from the $8.5 billion valuation it received after its massive $1.5 billion Series E in late 2022. The round was co-led by Founders Fund and Sands Capital. The company will use some of the new proceeds for the development of Arsenal One, a more than 5 million square foot production space designed to produce tens of thousands of autonomous military systems annually. Moving on to the next deal, Fraction AI, a crypto AI startup focused on decentralizing data labeling, has raised $6 million in a pre-seed funding round co-led by Spartan Group and Symbolic Capital. Other investors in the round include Borderless Capital, Anagram, Foresight Ventures, and Caratage, Fraction AI said Wednesday. Angel investors including Sandeep Nelwal of Polygon and Ilya Polosukin of Neo Protocol also joined the round and are close advisors to the project. Moving on to the next important deal of the week, Blast-powered decentralized trading card game Fantasy, also known by its URL fantasy.top, has announced the second iteration of the platform Fantasy V2 alongside the closing of a $4.25 million seed funding round led by Dragonfly and supported by Manifold Ventures. The fresh capital will be used to improve Fantasy's primary offerings: trading card games and fantasy betting. Moving on, crypto data startup Accountable has raised $2.3 million in seed funding to transform the under-collateralized crypto credit space. Myton C and Z Prime Capital led the round, supported by angel investors Darius Ruckus and Mevin 11 DC Builder from the WorldCoin Foundation. That's all in this episode of Deal Corner. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.